Let's solve numerical number 2.1 of chapter number 2, Units and Measurements. In part A, it is given that the volume of a cube, we have to find the volume of a cube in meter cube, and side is given, that is 1 centimeter. So here we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter, and volume of a cube is side cube. One side is 1 centimeter or 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter. We have to find it in meter cube, that is side cube, which is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter cube. So volume in meter cube is 10 raised to the power minus 6. Now next part is find the surface area of solid cylinder of radius 2 centimeter and height 10 centimeter. Surface area of a solid cylinder, radius is 2 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. Here consider a cylinder. The area of these surfaces, curved surfaces, is pi r square and pi r square. That is 2 pi r square plus the remaining area is the circumference up to the height of a cylinder, that is 2 pi r into h in centimeter square. Now we have to find the surface area in millimeter square. Put the value here, 2 into 22 by 7 into 4 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 2 into 10, that is 20, into 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. So here centimeter square, that is 10 raised to the power 2 millimeter square. On further solving, 22 into 2, that is 44, 44 into 4, that is 176. 176 by 7 plus 22 into 2, 44, 44 into 20 is 880, 880 by 7. When we will add it, we get the value which is equal to 1056, and after solving it we get 150.85 into 10 raised to the power 2 millimeter square, or we can write it as 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 4 millimeter square. So this is the answer, 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 4 millimeter square. Now next part is, that is, we have to convert the speed of a vehicle which is given in kilometer per hour into meter per second. That is, the speed is 18 kilometer per hour. We have to convert it into meter per second. One kilometer is equals to 1000 meter and 1 hour is equal to 3600 second. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. That is 5 by 18 meter per second into 18. So here the answer is 5 meter in 1 second. Now we can also do it directly, that if we have to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, that is the smaller unit, then we will multiply it with a smaller number, that is 5, and in denominator the greater number. And if we want to convert into meter to kilometer, that is from smaller unit to higher unit, then we will multiply it with the higher number, that is 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. That is, if we want to convert it into smaller, then we will multiply it with the smaller number. If we want to convert it into higher unit, we multiply it with the higher unit. So we will get the same answer which we have achieved from this. Now, next part is the relative density of lead is given, which is 11.3, and relative means here we are comparing the density, or the relative density is the ratio of the density of lead, that is an object, density of object, to the density of water. Here we are comparing the density of object with density of water. This is known as relative density. Now relative density is given. Density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius, that is 1 gram per centimeter cube. So we can find density of object. So here relative density is given, which is 11.3 into 1 gram per centimeter cube. This is equal to 11.3 gram per centimeter cube. So this is the answer. And when we will convert it into kilogram per meter cube, it will be equal to 11.3 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 kg and centimeter cube into meter cube, that is 10 raised to the power minus 2 raised to the power 3. 10 raised to the minus 3, 10 raised to the minus 6. When we will solve it, we get 11.3 into 10 raised to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. Or further we can write 1.13 into 10 raised to the power 4. It's not necessary, but if we want to solve it further, then this is the answer.